How to reset Safari browser on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset Safari browser on your iPhone. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First thing you'll need to do is open up your settings. So let me go back here. Okay, so after you're on your settings, you will then need to search for Safari. If you don't find it here, head over to the apps section on the bottom, then search for Safari. So it's right here on the top, tap on that. And after you're there, what you can do is you can scroll down and here you'll need to find an option that says clear history and website data. So all you have to do is tap on that and tap on clear history. After doing that, all your history of your Safari will get removed. So right here on the bottom, you'll find advanced option as well. Tap on that and there you'll find website data. Tap on that again. So on your website data, tap on edit on the top right. After this loads, you will then need to delete your entire website data. So this can take some time to load. So you might have to wait for a bit. So wait for a bit and there we go. It's right here. Tap on remove all website data from the bottom. Tap on remove. Doing that, you will have reset your Safari browser on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.